Let's start part 3 of the chapter Understanding Media. This is the third video of this chapter and we'll start this topic setting agendas. In the previous video we discussed about the role of media in democracy, media and money, what is media and what is the importance of media in communication. So today we'll discuss about setting agendas. The media also plays an important role in deciding what stories to focus on. It means all the incidents cannot be news, cannot be worthful to be printed in the newspapers, to be printed in the books and to be shown on the TV, right? So, for example, the annual function at your school is unlikely to make the news, or but if a famous actor is invited as the chief guest, then the media might be interested in covering it. And another example, that in your school there is a special program, celebration of United Nations Day, celebration of World Health Day, but that cannot be part of news, right? Sometimes it can become very big news if any celebrity or famous person or famous leader comes to your school in the celebration of the particular day. So by focusing on particular issues, the media influences our thoughts, feelings and actions and brings those issues to our attention. Due to the significant influence it plays in our lives and in shaping our thoughts, it is commonly said that the media sets the agenda. So these are the agendas. In the previous video, we discussed about the shaping of public opinion. So this is the public opinion, right? Media shows something, media releases some news, and reach means sending the informations to the mass, right? To the public. So the people read the news and then they think something about that particular news. So in this way, this is the agenda, setting agenda by the media. Very recently, the media drew our attention to alarming levels of pesticides in cola drinks. They published reports that indicated the high level of pesticides and thus made us aware of the need to regularly monitor these colas according to the international quality and safety standards, right? Safety standards. What do you understand by published? Published means printed, any printed material in printed article, printed news in newspapers, books and magazines. So that reports were published indicating high level of pesticides used in the colas. So it attracted the people towards this news and it also got the attention of the people. So they did this despite the government's resistance by boldly declaring that colas were unsafe. In covering this story, the media positively helped us focus on an issue that affects our lives and one that we might not even have been aware of it had it not been for media reporting. So media plays very important role to make us aware about the important issues. So this is the part of setting agenda by media. Another thing, there are several instances when the media fails to focus on issues that are significant in our lives. For example, drinking water is a major problem. In the country, every year thousands of people suffer and die because they do not get safe drinking water, or means hygienic and sanitary condition is very bad. However, we seldom find the media discussing this issue. A well-known Indian journalist wrote of how the Fashion Week, in which clothes designers show their new creations to rich people, formed the front page headlines of all the newspapers, while several slums were being demolished in Mumbai on the same day, the very same week, and this was not even noticed. So this is also one of the demerits of media, that useless things can be shown sometimes, can be can become the news in different kinds of newspapers and different TV channels, etc. But very important issues are left by media and without covering the news. For example, you can see Fashion shows are very popular with the media. But for the common people, there is no use of these kinds of news or TV shows, etc. As citizens of our democracy, the media has a very important role to play in our lives, because it is through the media that we hear about issues related to the working of the government. It means we can get the knowledge about the functioning of government only through the media. The media decides what to focus on, and in this way it sets the agenda. As we have discussed, the government can at times prevent the media from publishing a story. This is called censorship. In the previous video we discussed about the censorship, means preventing something to be printed or to be shown on the TV. Nowadays, media's close relationship with businesses often means that a balanced report is difficult to come by. Given this, it is important for us to be aware that the factual information, sometimes media shows us very fictitious news, or that is fake news, or sometimes it is not related to the truth. So that a news report provides is often not complete and can be one-sided. So we therefore need to analyze the news by asking the following questions: that what is the information I am learning from this report, and what information is not being provided, from whose point of view is the article being written, and whose point of view is being left out, and why. So all the things, if you analyze all the things, so you will be aware about particular news, and you will know the truth about the particular news. Here at railway level crossing, alertness is the key to safety. Here, slow down your vehicle. It is public notice, public symbols. See on both the sides. Stop the vehicle. Listen carefully. So these kinds of things are kept publicly through media. This is social advertising. Social advertisements refer to advertisements made by government to or private agencies that have a larger message for society. The following is a social advertisement regarding crossing of manned, unmanned level crossings. So dear students, we have completed the chapter. One more thing we have to see here. This one, local media. What is local media? The media that provides us the news of that particular locality in which we are living. For example, this one. Recognizing that the media will not be interested in covering small issues that involve ordinary people. So, and their daily lives, several local groups have come forward to start their own media. So this is about the local media. Several people use community radio to tell farmers about the prices of different crops and advise them on the use of seeds and fertilizers. For example, in Haryana, Kurukshetra radio and Rohtak radio are the example of these kinds of local radio stations. Others make documentary films and fairly cheap and easily available video cameras on real life conditions faced by different poor communities, and at times have even given the poor whose videos cameras to make films on their own lives. Today this is the age of digital era, and now various kinds of YouTube channels are there providing the informations for the local areas, for the particular city, for the particular village. There are the channels providing the news and providing the informations and also the knowledge. So another example is a newspaper called Khabar Lahariya, which is fortnightly, that is run by the 8 Dalit women in Chitrakoot district in UP, written in the local language that is called Bundeli. Bundeli is the local language of this newspaper. This 8-page newspaper reports on Dalit issues, cases of violence against women, political corruption, etc. The newspaper reaches farmers, shopkeepers, panchayat members, school teachers, women who have recently learned to read and write. So this was about local media. And last look on the grocery. This one, publish anything that is printed in newspapers, books or magazines. Censorship, this is the power that government has showing certain stories to prevent these kinds of things, to disallow media from publishing or showing certain stories. Broadcast, it is used to refer to a TV or radio program that is widely transmitted, telecasted, or broadcast. Sorry, broadcast is only for radio or TV. Public protest, when a large number of people come together and openly state their opposition to some issues. Organizing a rally, starting a signature campaign, blocking roads, etc. are some of the ways in which this is done. So these are including all the protest activities, so that is known as public protest. So dear students, we have completed this chapter. Revise the chapter and read it from the textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.